Here we are now. It's February the 17th, and we're not far off, ready to go. So just as a quick update of what we've done to the chassis prior to, in shutdown. We put new discs all round, obviously disc pads, and changed the brake fluid. We put new throttle cables on. The engine was meant to have been rebuilt, but unfortunately, due to the fact that we can't get any conrods, we'll have to put a bit of a postponement on that. So our spare engine, which was freshly rebuilt, we'll be using, but with the new barrels off the other engine. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it should be there or thereabouts. So other things we've done: new fuel pump, fuel hoses, fuel filter. We've cut the HT leads back slightly, and then re-threaded the plug caps onto the HT leads because they do wear a little bit. We've also put a new wiring loom on because we don't want to take any chances with a broken or fatigued wire. What else have we done? Changed the numbers. We're now 26 instead of whatever number we were meant to be. New battery for the rain light. On the axle there's a cush drive. We've changed that. And that's about it. That's taken quite some time. So we're now ready for the initial startup, where we've got the end of the axle machined out, ready for the starter, which we've made. The end there, Mike Top makes these little starters. We don't know whether it works yet, but we'll be doing a video to see if it does. Probably won't answer. Hi up. Hello, mate.
Hello.
Where are you?
Sammy wine and whiskey chair.
Oh, right. That's all right then. Are you having wine and whiskey or?
No.
Okay.
I'm just. I was just finished my meeting, so I'm having a few minutes sit down, because I don't get sat down much.
Right. Anyway.
I just realised that's your camera, isn't it?
That is the camera, yeah. And you're being recorded.
Alright, great.
What have you got to tell me, Nick?
I haven't sorted out the gearing yet. I had a major problem at the pub last night.
Oh, right. What was that?
We had some new beer in, so I had to go and test it.
So I'm sitting here in the shed waiting for you for my gearing,
Yes.
and you've been on the beer.
Sorry.
So
I'm taking a leaf out of your
hang on.
book.
So this is what I'm up against. See what I'm up against? Not only am I trying to get the thing sorted out, I've got the drunk guru Nick Bowler who can't be bothered to tell me what the gearing is. Can't you just make it up?
Yeah, I can.
No.
Yeah.
Get it sorted.
I will do. Yeah, I promised you I'll do it yesterday.
I know. So when am I getting it now?
I'll do it when I get up.
When you get up.
Yes.
When are you getting up?
Well, when I finish having a conversation with my wife.
Okay, well, finish the conversation with me. Finish the conversation with your wife, and then get my gearing sorted, please.
I will do. I will.
You're
do,
holding
yes.
up the
I know,
team.
I know. Well, if you were going snowboarding, if you weren't going snowboarding all this time up to the first race, you wouldn't be in such a panic to get it on, would you?
No, but the difference is that's training.
Is that right? Okay.
Yes. Get it sorted. Thanks.
No
Bye.
See you, bye.
So there you go. That's what I'm for, guys. Trying to do these jobs, getting the gearing sorted out. However, we're at the point now that we're going to actually test the electric starter.
Yes. Yes. No more pushing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Well, no more pushing, possibly. Anyway, because I've got a little bit of a bad shoulder, Dickie's got the job of holding the starter and hopefully not spinning round with it when we actually fire it up. So we don't know whether it's going to fire up yet either. So if we put the camera, which you should be able to hopefully see there, and turn the radio off because you're not going to put that on. So yeah, here we go.
Right.
So do you want to just first of all, just it's in neutral now, so just spin it round so you can feel. You'll have to really grip it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So keep it spin it right side.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just get it right side. So we need to get to that point.
Yeah.
But I need to put it in third gear now.
All right. Yeah.
So the only thing is, I've got to let the clutch out, and we haven't got the choke on. So how are we going to do that? Right.
Plan C.
We'll just sort out the choking mechanism in a minute. We've got a plan, and we're going to have a go.
Yeah. Watch this space.
Right. Okay. So I'm going to choke it.
Switch it on.
Switch it on.
Good plan.
Oh, I've blown the fuel through yesterday. Choke it.
Yep.
I'm going to knock it into gear.
When we're.
You be very careful, hold it tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Did it stop then?
Well, I pulled it out when it banged.
Did you? Oh, well, it needs to possibly keep it going, doesn't it?
Yeah, I suppose it does. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so keep it going until it fires, because that
Okay.
should throw it out.
Okay.
So that's right. Let's just try it this time, even without the choke.
Okay.
Just with the hang on. Gotcha. And then just see if it does turn it over. Anyway, we're coming back to plan B. Okay, we're on plan C.
Yes. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's just that okay.
It's switched on, yeah?
Yep.
Well, tried, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's maybe a little bit faster when it's.
Maybe try and dip the clutch, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Should we try another gear?
Yeah.
Fourth.
Second, I thought.
Second.
Yeah. And it's not been started, is it? It's probably got a lot of fuel in there. Okay?
Yep.
Oh, this should get it.
Well, maybe
Back
that's
to a bit less. I think it must be.
okay.
Plan C.
Plan
Charge
C
the battery
failed, but we're now going to charge the battery. But coming back with plan D
in about a week.
in a few days. I'm not quite sure whether we're on plan A, B, C, D, or whatever now. But we're about the fourth time of trying to get the starter to work. And what happened last time?
Didn't
it just that's right, yeah. It just didn't work. No, we didn't oh, that's right, the battery was flat on the charger,
Yeah.
which obviously
Schoolboy error.
schoolboy error, yeah. So the battery was flat on the charger. So we've charged that up now, and we're hoping that this is now going to work. So what we're going to do is start it in third gear. Put that there a minute. Let's find third gear first. First, second, third. Switch the ignition on.
Gonna wedge the choke up.
We need to wedge the choke up because we'll have to get another method for this shortly. Okay, so choke's on, ignition's on. Dickie's got our new starting tool.
That is me.
Clutches in.
Ready?
Go. We're in business. We're in business.
Yeah,
That's
great.
the easy start now, which is
Gonna save me a lot of effort.
yes. You still have to get up in the morning though.
Oh, but I.
Yeah, well, that seemed to be excellent. So it works. So pretty chuffed with that. Just got to now virtually ready to go. Put the bodywork back on. We've got new bodywork coming, but it's not arrived because it's been delayed from Anderson for some reason. So we're going to get the old bodywork back on, ready for Silverstone in a couple of weeks. Yeah, but we're trying to get it all ready this week. What day is it? Monday.
Monday, yeah.
Because we're going snowboarding on Saturday for a week. So we need everything ready prior to going boarding. So, yeah, when it's ready to load, we'll just update the vid and get ready for the first race at Silverstone Grand Prix circuit around about the 6th of March. Cheers. Well done, Dick.
Always a pleasure.